The wonderful thing about the Tuning Project is it's an opportunity for us as faculty people to get together and talk about those large issues. What kind of outcomes do we want? How do we produce those outcomes? What kinds of things constitute historical thinking and historical learning? And how do we fit those so that a student can understand when they begin the study of history, I'm going to learn these kinds of things which will naturally deposit me into the next level of learning. If I learn at that level, then that will take me logically into the next level.
The discussions opened up in our department, and almost everyone around the table said, well, why don't you just say history emphasizes the development of critical thinking, period. Can we leave now? And I said, well, think about every other department that we come into contact with. They're all going to say the same thing. Political science emphasizes critical thinking, philosophy, physics, chemistry. You got to take it one step further. Let's all agree we all involve ourselves in the development of critical thinking. What does history add to that mix? What is it that we bring to the table when we have students engage in critical thinking? And that's when people sat back and started to imagine the particular and distinctive traits of our discipline and what it adds to that conversation.
It may be that you emphasize social history and I emphasize military history, but we're both committed to developing writing, and we're both committed to developing a sense of interconnectedness. We're both interested in developing a confidence in participatory democracy. We're both developing, we're emphasizing reading skills, all of those things. And so I think there's a wonderful combination between the specialization that we worked so hard to develop and our commitment to having that specialization being the jumping off point for developing shared or agreed upon competencies.